Hi, today we are going to talk about how to make funny faces to decrease headaches, jaw pain, and stress. My name is Dr. Jeanette DeWitt, and I am a physical therapist, an athletic trainer, and also a fitness coach. And a lot of people come to me with a lot of facial tension, jaw pain, and just general stress and headaches. So today we're going to have a little bit of fun and make some funny faces to help actually decrease that. So across the forehead is the frontalis muscle, and that can get tight. And if you've ever experienced tension headaches, it usually occurs across the forehead. So we're going to stretch our frontalis muscle by raising our eyebrows and lowering our eyebrows. Raising our eyebrows and lowering our eyebrows. And what we can do is just 3 to 5 reps of that, just like that, to decrease tension across the forehead. The next exercise that you can do is actually smiling and frowning. So you smile, and then you frown. And then you smile, and then you frown. And when we do that, we actually work our facial muscles and help release tension across the face. Now, if somebody's having jaw pain and they're grinding their teeth, or they've been really stretched and they're just kind of clenching down like that, that creates a lot of tension and can create that jaw pain just from holding your mouth so tight. So we can stretch our jaw muscles by opening and closing our mouth. Just like this. So by opening and closing our mouth, we're stretching the masseter muscle, which is a muscle of mastication, a chewing muscle. And opening that mouth can stretch the muscle along the side of the mouth. Now, the rule of thumb is if you are having trouble with opening and closing your mouth, each person should be able to take 3 knuckles and open their mouth as wide as they can to fit those 3 knuckles in. If you are having difficulty with opening your mouth that wide, you may have some jaw tightness on the external muscles of the face, or the chewing muscles, as well as the internal muscles within the mouth. Muscles of chewing and mastication. Ways to stretch some of those deeper chewing muscles is to make faces with your mouth kind of goofy like. That side to side motion will stretch. If you move your mouth to one side, you're going to stretch the opposite side, and then when you move it to the other side, you're going to stretch the opposite side. So just creating some facial expressions and different stretching, opening, and closing the mouth will actually relieve some of the tension in the facial muscles. Now, another area that can create headaches is your craniofascia. And fascia is just connective tissue that kind of keeps everything together. Cranial is your head, the cranium. And the cranial fascia comes from the forehead and kind of comes down the top of the head and the back of the head. And to stretch that, you can actually do a hair pulling exercise where you're gently pulling different aspects of your hair all over, and that hair pulling pulls on the hair follicles, and then that can stretch the craniofascia. These are quick, simple things you can do at your desk. You might get some looks at your coworkers, but you can also do them in a bathroom stall if you don't want anybody to see you. Or you can just start making faces at people, and they say, "Why are you making faces at me?" And you can say, "Well, this physical therapist, Dr. Jeanette, she told me to do facial exercises, or showed me how to do facial exercises to release tension from my face." So I challenge you to go ahead and try some of that. Have a little bit of fun with it. You can't really go wrong with moving your face and making all kinds of goofy faces. And it's just kind of fun, and it decreases your stress because you're smiling and you're kind of laughing about being silly. Go ahead and share this with a friend if you know someone who has a lot of muscle tension, facial tension, or jaw tightness, and have a little fun with them by tagging them on your share. Take care and have a great day.